All right, you guys, so today is a cool day. We get to open up the shop. Open up the shop. What's up, everybody? So we're at the shop. We are open, and everybody is all around right now.
And look,
They're
I
walking
lost
around.
my tooth.
And he lost his teeth like before Christmas. I don't know what's going on. But hey, thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey. It has been awesome. It's going to be cool. Let's see what happens. Let's see what kind of happens with this journey with me, and for rocking and rolling. And I made my first dollar. Liam bought a t-shirt off me, which is cool. He bought a Fortnite shirt from me. So I made my first customer today. So super excited to have Liam buy the first thing. I love you guys, and let's do this.
That's how
Show us.
I do a floss.
Show us the floss. Show us the floss, son.
Well,
Oh no, you did a good job. All right, you guys, we're out of here. Let's go make some money. So what are you thinking so far? Listen, we bought so much stuff from vendors over here, so much candy and food. We had pizza delivered. What else did we have? Chicken fingers and something he had. I had a big old chef salad, and we're open. Everybody's open. There's a lot of traffic here for the first day, and super excited. So far, I passed out 62 cards, which that's my whole purpose. Like today, I wanted to pass out cards. I've sold like $200 worth of merchandise, which is pretty good, but it's like the small stuff. T-shirts are definitely getting noticed, which is good. I'm bringing them in, and then I'm able to hit them with the sales on that aspect of it, so which is pretty cool. So like car logos for the back decals and things like that. But we're having fun. We're having fun. You having fun? Hey, I like your shirt.
thank you. I made it.
You sure did. All right, you guys. Love yous. Did you get it? Okay. Love you guys.